Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And tonight what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Dudios Shuttle truly wireless earbuds. Alright, so tonight what we're going to do is we're going to do three things. First, I'm going to try and demonstrate how the earbuds look in my ears. So if your head and ear structure is similar, you'll get a general idea of how these earbuds will look in your ears. Then we're going to do two tests. We're going to do a sound leakage test, and then we're going to try and give you a sound sample, and then we'll wrap the video up. So without further ado, let's get into the test. Now, as you can see, I have the earbuds connected up to my Google Pixel here. So let me swipe down and show you. You see my Bluetooth is turned on, and if I swipe down, you can see it says Dudios Shuttle right there. Alright, and then, so y'all can see, I have the volume maxed out. So it's going to be at 100% volume. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. Now, starting off, let me show y'all how they look. So let's turn to the right, and y'all can see. Now, I do like the overall fit and feel of these earbuds in my ears. It's nice and comfortable, and I get a nice tight seal, so I can barely hear myself talk right now. So here's how it's going to look on one side, right there. And then if I turn this way, this is how it's going to look on the other side, right there. And I do have the medium earbud tips installed on the Dudios earbuds, okay, just so y'all know. All right. Now let's get started with the leakage test and the sound demo test. So let's go ahead and push play. Double tap. Let me know if y'all can hear anything. Woohoo! Okay, let me pause this. Okay. Man, the bass on these is incredible. I don't know how Dudios did it, but the bass on these, yes. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to restart the music. I'm going to hold the earbuds up to the microphone here, and we're going to try and give y'all a sound sample, and then we're going to wrap the video up. So here we go. Let's push play again. Alright, let me hold them up. And we're going to do this for 10 seconds, starting now. Alright, let me give y'all another 10. And an extra 5. Okay. Drop these back in real quick. Let's push pause. Okay, there we go. The touch controls on these are a little finicky. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this fit and sound demo test here this evening with the Dudios Shuttle truly Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So you guys and gals, let me know what y'all think. How did these earbuds look in my ears? How do you think they sounded overall? Let me know what y'all think of this overall video down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. And oh, because I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, this whole video was recorded using the front and rear facing cameras on the S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And I broke out the old lapel clip-on style microphone for this one. I figured we'll give it a shot here. So y'all let me know what y'all think of the overall audio as well. Just wanted to mix it up a little bit down below in the comments. Alright, I hope everyone has a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. We out of here.